Hi, everybody. Fresh case time. Prizm NBA Hobby Fresh Case. Let's pick your team number 660. Biggest, baddest bounty in the industry. It's actually out of here. There's too many cases in here as it is. There we go. Okay, the one of one bounty is now $26,250. If we hit one of one rookie black, one of one rookie black true auto, the hitter of the card will receive all that money in group break credit towards anything we sell. And people forget a lot of the time, that's not just teams and pick your team breaks or random teams. You can buy boxes with that from our website and they will be shipped to you sealed. Or you can go on Instagram and you can use the credit to buy personal boxes for personal box rips or case rips, anything you want. So there is gigantic value in that bounty. If the bounty does not get hit, Les will add $25 out of their own pocket to the bounty every box it opens where it doesn't go. The team's in purple. It says at the bottom of the sheet, 1.5x bounty. I see a mojo. I see a mojo. Mojo. All right. If a team in purple hits it, so if a team in purple hits that bounty, you'll get 1.5x that total number, which is around $39,000. All right. Let's see if we can hit it. Let's see if we can remember. It's still Prizm Hobby. You hit huge cards in this. Josh Jackson, silver. Kispert, rookie hyper. Elon Wright, $299. Wagner auto for Anthony. There you go. Over boosted. Nice hit, bro. Scotty Lewis. Bomba. Brandon Clark cracked ice for the Grizz. Santi Claus. Halliburton. Buddy. One per box Pulsar. Buddy Healed for the Kings. Second auto is coming. Baisley silver. Luca silver insert. Oh, and a Baisley auto. Silver Darius Baisley vet auto. Sengun. Sandro for the Bucks. Herbie, $2.99 for the Pels. Bobby Bass. There you go. Io. Jalen Green. Steph. Silver of Karis LeVert. KPJ. Lulu. Sandro, rookie silver for the Bucks. Ja silver. Brandon Boston. Braun. Malik Beasley. PJ Washington cracked. Gobert, Banton, Jeremiah. All right, we have a Mojo. Hopefully it's good. It's been a good break. That was actually a good box. Good start to the case. Not great, but solid. It was solid. All right, Mojo. What's up, Mr. Khan? How you doing? Okay. Mojo. Ruby of Okiki. It's not a rookie. For the Hawks. Legend Dominique Wilkins for Mango Bango. /25. Dominique. Not a bad box at all, to be honest. Let's recap it. Not bad. For Prizm, that's not bad. All right. Thank you for watching and joining. We have 2 breaks.